terms of the latest information that we're getting from both the Thailand government as well as the military junta in Myanmar. So in Thailand, so far the government has said that 90 are missing and 3 have been killed in this earthquake. It was a 7.2 magnitude earthquake in Bangkok and a 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Myanmar, in the second largest city of Myanmar in the northwest of the region. And in fact, now we're hearing from the Bangkok governor who has said that the damage is limited. So this is I wouldn't say this is good news, but this is in fact positive news in the sense that from the visuals that we were seeing earlier, there was devastating visuals of the complete buildings turning to rubble and collapsing. In fact, we don't know entirely the kind of damage that has taken place in Myanmar as of yet. As I mentioned, since 2021, we've had Myanmar has had a military coup in power, military junta in power. So we don't know exactly. We're not getting a lot of information out of the region, but some local reports are indicating that thousands of wounded people are lining up in the hospitals there. So but we're not seeing the devastation as of yet, what is coming out from the region. So, but there were some visuals showing that an iconic bridge in Myanmar completely turning to rubble. So those are some of the visuals that have come out from the region, but we're yet to see any sort of figures coming in on how many have been killed or how many have been injured in Myanmar. But when it comes to Thailand and Bangkok, we've so far we know that 90 are continued to be missing and 3 have been killed. In fact, there were visuals coming out where this entire skyscraper, which was under construction, completely collapsed, and roughly 43 workers who were at that site were stuck in that rubble, while some have been freed. We are yet to know how many are continued to be trapped under there and are being rescued. So those rescue operations are continuing, and right now Bangkok has been declared as a disaster zone and a disaster region in Thailand, and Myanmar has declared a complete state of emergency for the country.